have a look at the image. What has the image got? It's got... it's like a whole nother building. It is like a whole nother building sitting right there. However, well, Control, how about we select all of this? Control L, except for that bit, because we don't need that bit, and we don't need that bit. Shift D, Y. And let's just select all these. Delete vertices. Control R. Select these, delete vertices. Control L. Oops. That was an interesting button. Control L. G. Oh, even just that. We're not going to go any further. Good. Good, 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 good. Just in case we do. Face. Extrude Z. And Alt M. Last. There we go. Bring that one down as well. Oops, what didn't I select? There we go. So now we have a limit. No, I don't want these ones. Control B. Extrude Z. So, I am happy with that. Now, to the other side of the street in the next part. So, Control Save. And we'll do the next part. So let's go on to part 4. So this is what we did in part 3. I like it nice and simple. It's very low poly. And once we put the textures on, well, it's not really going to be much textures. Predominantly going to be generated materials. I think it should be fine. So let's move over to the other side of the street. Just quickly, building 3. Building 3. Okay, now let's hide these buildings because we don't need to see them. So magnifying, what are you? Fence. So these are all hidden now. Or better yet, how about we move them, move to layer 2. So we got layer 2, layer 1. Okay. Okay, so this is 3. So I'm just going to stick, I'm just going to create on the front view that we already have, just because it's easier to press 3 than it is to press Shift 3, Control 3. Yeah, Control 3. And it's just a quicker workflow. But I'm just checking now which image is the better. I think let's just go off this image. I think that'll be fine. So I'm just going to move this back over into the middle. 0. Beautiful. Okay. Now, so we can see these buildings are pretty much the same height. But I do like the fact that we got black, 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 black. And the other picture, I believe number 4. So we're looking at about 6 of them, which is pretty good because it takes up pretty much that whole street. So if we go, I'll create a simple array with a window in each. So I'm just going to make it more symmetrical, just make life easier because we just want to pump them out. We'll do like a little flourish here And I believe in the other image, we'll do this as well. So I reckon it'll be fine. Yeah, let's do it. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to go Shift 2 and bring up number 2 as well. And because I didn't put any windows there because I didn't need to, so that's fine. So let's just go off this building here. So I'm going to get brand new mesh cube. Let's just move it up 1. So now we know that it's 2 meters high. And now we're at about 2.5 meters. Beautiful. Okay. And I'm just going to size and Y. And we'll just keep it roughly around that same array. The width of this one, because that seemed like a good number. It seemed quite nice. It doesn't matter that it's not exact. Okay, so now we've got a building. Let's delete these back faces. Delete vertices. And now we can get rid of layer 2. How about we go move layer 1. And now we've just got layer 1. Okay, so we've set it up so it goes all the way to the top of the roof. Let's go create this black area. I'm just going to press I, size Z, and we'll bring it down a little bit because you see this black area comes down quite low. And if we just kind of go off our scale, I would like to say that's about 0.5 meter. So 0.5 meter. Bring that down. Excellent. Now from here, so we've got our black area. I am now going to go I again, raise it up, size Y, and that looks pretty square right there. So now we've got the white area. So we've got the black area here, and now we're building in on the white. Do another one. Now we've got the white area. So we're going to extrude because that's going to be our window. I do, however, just want to make that black bit just pop out a little bit. Yeah, I'll do that. I'm going to take that top one. I don't want to make just like a whole new line. So I'm going to shift E that one, bring it down. And what I'm just doing here is making that flourish. Extrude. Oops. Z. Control L. Extrude. Delete faces. Then we'll also delete this face. And now, I'm going to have to create a camera angle. So now we've got that kind of window, which is good. Let's go in array modify. Let's go 6. Well, we want that one to be 0 and Y to be 1. Delightful. And I could even cheat it. 7. So, door, window, door, window. Beautiful. What does the original image happen? And then it goes into a different building. Beautiful. Okay. This is actually an arched bit here. So I was wrong there. So that flourish is wrong. Control L, delete vertices. Okay, oops, lost where I was. What number are we looking at here? We are looking at number 2.75. Okay, bring that down, extrude Z, and we'll change that to 2.75. And now we're back at our previous scale. So we saw that it's kind of like a curve that goes into the roof. So I'm going to move it forward. R. Is this going to work? Control. Nope. It's not going to work. We're going to extrude on the x-axis. That's where we want it. Now we press Control B for the bevel and just the mouse wheel. Yeah, I think that's fine. In the image, we've got a gutter, I believe. So it goes in, up, gutter, back. So extrude Z, extrude. Seems like a good angle. And now we're going to create gutter. So I'm just going to select just any line, X, extrude X again. Whoop, that's a big gutter. G, Control L, extrude Z, delete faces. Now we've got like a box, delete those faces. And the same thing we did on the last one. Let's just create. Cool. Control L. So I did bevel and then just mouse wheel scroll. Let's smooth those faces. And beautiful. So I might even just that line there, delete edge. So to me, that looks quite nice. But now we have this, the windows, but we know that here somewhere is going to be a door. Well, let's just fake it. Fake it till you make it. I'm going to apply, whoops, I'm going to apply that array, and this one I'm going to butcher.